Let's understand how to create a professional invoice using the Quotation Maker Web App. From the dashboard, click on New Invoice to get started. From here, you can change the invoice date. In Invoice Details, you can add the due date and PO number if available. Add customer by clicking on the Select Customer option. Here, you can choose a customer from the existing customers list or add a new customer. Fill up customer details and don't forget to save it. Selected customer will be displayed on final PDF. Let's select product. Here you can choose product from existing products list or you can add new product. Fill up product details and don't forget to save it. Fill up product quantity. You can also edit price and description. Now click on Add to Invoice. This will be added to your invoice. Now let's add another product, same as the first one. Selected products will be displayed in the final PDF. You can also add a discount from here. From here, you can also add other charge info. In other info, you can add custom information for your invoice. Let's add terms and conditions. Here, you can choose terms from the existing list or add new terms. Add terms as per your need or requirement, then save it. You can select multiple terms or select all terms. Selected terms will be displayed on the final PDF. Verify all details on this screen and generate the invoice. Your professional-looking invoice is ready. You can download it as a PDF. Thank you for watching.